Hello, my name is Michnes and I'm the Lord Commander of the Department of Soft Luggage Violence at Turkana. And this is our Stow Crow Pro tool bag. We've got 4 different bags in the Stow Crow range. The Stow Crow Pro tool bag, the Stow Crow EDC, which is everyday carry, and then a Stow Crow Bush Fix and Quick Fix, which are bigger tool bags. This Stow Crow Pro tool bag is also a bag that you can use for electronics, for anything else that might fit in this kind of pouch. We made it specifically in such a way that it can take abuse, because many people only ride with a small tool bag with them or permanently with them on their bike for tire repair and a bit of tools if something goes wrong. But we made it in such a way with fabrics that will last. It's abrasive resistant, wear resistant, tear resistant. It's properly stitched with nylon thread. Some places we triple stitch it, and then we also use a class 10 YKK zip. On the back there's 4 tie down points, so you can tie it down on the rear rack of a motorcycle, even on the front of an enduro bike. We've also made this little bag in such a way that it can really, you can stuff this little fat pig. You can really get the sausage to maximum give, and it can take a hell of a lot of tools in it. I've packed into this one on my bike. I've got a trail stand from Eastbound, I've got the Motion Pro tire levers, my tire lever, some tools, and even a 21 size spanner, and then all my other bobs and bits in the pouch, which can also be removed if you want to. So this is for sockets, a little bit of bolts, maybe a bit of duct tape, whatever you can have in them, screwdrivers. But the idea about this pouch is that you can use it on your bike on any type of trip, and if you want your stuff to be really compact and tight and in one place, but you don't need to carry an entire workshop with you. So that is why we made the Stow Crow Pro. This is not some just everyday little bag. It's a proper tool bag for people that needs to use it and goes through proper hardcore traveling. You can also use it for electronics if you want. The entire pouch on the inside's got elastic loops that you can thread cables or anything through it. We use one of them as our electronics bag for our laptops and the cameras and everything else, and all the cables that we need to store, and small little SD cards. So it's not just a tool bag. You get a removable waist strap. It's a 38mm with a buckle. You can adjust it. You can use it across body or around your waist. And if you don't pack a lot of tools, you want something light, you want to carry it as an enduro rider on your back, you can do that. Everything fits flat, and it's 27 centimeters long, so it fits nicely on the back of your back if you don't overload it. But you can use the same strap to strap it to the bike, or you can use different straps and the loops to get it tied down permanently or semi-permanently on the bike if you want. This thing is made to go with you anywhere you want, and you can strap down on anything you want. This is the Stow Crow Pro. Have a look on the Stow Crow EDC, the Bush Fix and the Quick Fix. These are special little bags.